This truck here, I was going down the interstate very, very, very fast. I think I was going 85. And bam, something hit up underneath. Road debris. Not really sure. But during my investigations, this is what I found. You see that hole right there? That is the wheel well liner that lines up, covers the underneath of under here, which keeps road debris and water and stuff off of everything that's inside there. And right on the other side of where that hole came popping through there is this connector. And that connector, connects right up here. So as I was looking at that, this is what I had found. Right? This green wire right here. So I figured, okay, well, whatever flew through there must have hit this connector so hard that it pulled that wire out. And I'm looking at this side of the wire, the green wire. It looks like it's actually got wire in there. It's like this part looks pulled out and that part doesn't. That looks like it was snipped. And then I go to the other side. Notice it's on this side and it's in the middle. Go to this side, right? You can see pins in there. Everything in there looks good. Everything in there looks pretty good. But then whenever I go here, right, the one in the middle here, you can see that blue finger right there in the middle? That's a rubber plug, meaning apparently that green wire going through that connector doesn't really attach to anything. It's just a blue rubber plug. And then over here on this side, in this corner, there's another blue rubber plug. So whatever wire comes across over there, just isn't utilized. So then I thought, well, maybe instead of going through the plug and continuing through the harness, maybe this wire was connected to something else, another wire that was run in a different direction. But I've looked around and I don't find anything. So I'm investigating today, try to figure out, is this wire supposed to be connected or is it not supposed to be connected? And if it is supposed to be connected, what is it supposed to be connected to? Is it supposed to be connected there? Looked like that was snipped with snippers. Yet on the other side here, it goes to the rubber plug. So did this green wire go elsewhere? And if it did, where's the wire that it was connected to? So that's what I'm up against today. I am searching underneath, just trying to figure things out. Oh my gosh. That's where I'm at. So if you have any ideas or any clues or any experience working on these older Dodge pickup trucks, this one is a 2007 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi. Yeah, it's just got some problems and I'm trying to figure it out.